students, I am going to discuss second equation of motion by calculus method. And the second equation of motion is s equals to ut plus half at square. To derive this equation, we have to create a situation. Let an object having initial velocity u moves with constant acceleration. Constant acceleration means acceleration is not changing, and in time t its displacement is s, or we can say that it covers s distance. So v equals to ds upon dt, and as we can say that v equals to dx upon dt, dy upon dt, dz upon dt or ds upon dt. This is the formula of instantaneous acceleration velocity. So now in the next step, this dt is multiplying on this side, so it becomes v dt equals to ds. And as I told in the previous video, when this d comes on both sides, in the next step we have to integrate the equation. Means in the next step I am integrating the things. Here you can see that only one is present and one is constant, and I am integrating this side with respect to s. So we will apply this variable with 1, और 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लिखने की ज़रूरत कुछ नहीं होती. So it will becomes s and limit as it is. On the another side, here I am integrating with respect to time, and in this step you can see that t is not present, means this u is constant. So I am applying with u just this t. So here I am writing u this t and limit. Again in the next term plus, as you can see t is present. When variable is present, so this constant is as it is, and add 1 in the power of the variable and divided by the power. So as you can see here the power is 1, and when we add 1 in the power it becomes 2 and divided by power, that is 2. Limit as it is. Now in the next step I am writing the limit. First in this s I am writing upper limit, that is s, and then minus lower limit, that is 0. Similarly on the another side, u as it is. In place of this t I am writing first upper limit and then lower limit. Similarly plus a, and this 2 is constant, so I am writing half a, and in place of this t first I am writing upper limit and then lower limit. So s minus 0 becomes s, t minus 0 become t, so the whole term become ut, and half a as it is, t square minus 0 become t square. So the final equation is s equals to ut plus half at square.